Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix shake to refill option not showing in Instagram. So if you want to upload a story using the newest feature on Instagram, shake to refill, but you cannot find the feature. So here how you going to solve that. The first one is you can check for any updates of the Instagram app. So you can go to the Play Store, then in here just find Instagram, this one, and then here you can see that my apps need to be updated. That means that the shake to refill is not showing because I don't have the latest version of Instagram. So just click on update and then just wait until the update is finished. But if you found that you already on the latest version of Instagram and you want to, and this check the refill is not showing, so you can just go to the app info of your Instagram. Here just long press on it and click on the app info. Then you can try to clear the cache of your Instagram app. So just click on the storage and cache, and here try to clear the cache and see if the problem is solved. But if it's still not showing, you can try to uninstall the app first and then reinstall it again on your phone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.